Tired of waking up at odd hours to send your WhatsApp marketing campaigns? Let's automate that. First, you'll need accounts on both Pabbly Connect, which we'll use to build our automation workflow, and Wati, where your WhatsApp business account is connected. Inside Pabbly Connect, create a new workflow and choose your trigger. This could be a Google Sheet update, a form submission, or even a date and time using Pabbly Connect's schedule trigger for recurring messages. Let's say you choose the schedule trigger for a daily reminder. Configure it with the desired frequency and start time. Next, add an action step. Search for Wati in the app list and select it. Connect your Wati account to Pabbly Connect. You'll likely need your Wati API key, which can be found in your Wati account settings. Within Wati, navigate to the API docs section. Usually under settings, copy your access token, which will serve as the API key. Paste this in Pabbly Connect to connect to your Wati account. Now, configure the Wati action. You'll need to map the recipient's phone number from your trigger data or manually enter it. If you're sending a template message, specify a template name, along with any relevant data from your trigger. Use Pabbly Connect's mapping feature to dynamically insert information from your trigger into your message. For example, you can automatically insert a customer's name from a Google Sheets row into your WhatsApp message. Before activating your workflow, thoroughly test the connection. At the bottom of the screen is a test button. Click the button and a real-time test message sends as per the information you inputted. Once you're satisfied with the test, activate your workflow. That's it. Now, you've successfully set up automated WhatsApp messages with Pabbly Connect and Wati, freeing up your time and boosting engagement.